This project that you're going to see right now, Habina Hagarinabu, Dance Garifuna, it's not only a project that I'm doing by myself, okay? The choreographer, my business partner, Eleanor Castillo Bullock, she was with me on the way doing Habina Hagarinabu. And we had 4 other passionate Garinagu people. That was James Cordis from St. Vincent. He lives in Philadelphia. We have Verna Authors. She's also from St. Vincent. She's lived in New York. We have Trish St. Hill. She's an author. She's also very passionate about Garifuna. She was with us on this project. And we have Kyla Herbert. She also lives in Philadelphia. 6 of us, we took, our own, we funded this first project on our own so that we can go to St. Vincent to make it happen. And I have to say, if we didn't do that, okay, this wouldn't happen if we didn't take it upon ourselves to go. So what you're going to see is the fruit of 6 passionate people. And I want to say, after you see this video, there's no way, I want to say that there's no way the Garifuna culture will die if we put our faith and if we create an environment where children can learn to speak Garifuna again.
Amen.
The reason why I said that is because I was there for less than a month. I can literally say 3 weeks and 6 days. And within that time, right in the classroom, okay, breaking the words and syllables, teaching these kids how to pronounce the words, they absorbed it. They were asking me questions. I literally, I want to go back. I really want to go back. And you can make that happen by assisting in whatever way you can, be it donation, be it in kind. I'm pleading to you to just keep it in your heart when you see this movie, when you see this documentary. Set it in your home.